Today we will be reading Scene 3, The Forest Near the Big Oak Tree. And remember, scenes change when the setting changes. Right here, these 3 ones in a row, those are like Roman numerals that stand for 3. This is the last scene of the play, so that means that we will be for sure hearing the solution today. Scene 3, The Forest Near the Big Oak Tree. All the animals are gathered in a semicircle, and Possum's tail is still wrapped in the snakeskin. Now today, guys, I had you upload a video to see what you thought this picture was all about. As you can see by this picture, Possum's tail doesn't look too beautiful and fluffy and silky and smooth anymore. Bear says, "Possum, will you open our meeting?" Rabbit says, "Everyone, please pay attention." Possum, "See you, everyone. I have been asked to speak today because of my tail. It is the most beautiful of all. Here, let me show you how beautiful it is." And then Possum unwraps his tail. It now looks like a big rat's tail, but Possum does not notice yet. Uh-oh. Raccoon says, "Oh, look at Possum's tail." Possum, still showing off his tail, and didn't look at it. "Yes, look at my tail. Look how beautiful it is." But it has no hair at all. It's really ugly. It's really funny looking. The animals begin to laugh, and Possum looks at his tail and sees it has no hair. Possum says, "My tail! Cricket has ruined it." So Possum sits down on the ground, closes his eyes, and then rolls onto his back with his feet up in the air. He stays there until all the other animals have gone. Then he gets up and runs away. This paragraph right here is kind of what I know about possums today. Possum sits down on the ground, closes his eyes, then rolls onto his back with his feet up in the air. He stays there until all the other animals have gone. Then he gets up and runs away. Narrator. So it is that Possum now has the ugliest tail of all the animals. That's kind of true in real life right now. Ever since that time, whenever Possum meets another animal, he closes his eyes, rolls over on his back, and pretends to be dead until the other animal goes away. And Possum no longer brags about his tail. So, like we learned earlier in the week, folk tales sometimes tell us about how things in the world came to be. And now we've just learned why possums have supposedly a naked tail. It's because of the trick that was played on him long ago. We also learned why they maybe play dead, because long ago Possum was embarrassed. And that is the folklore story of why possums have the kind of tail they have and why they act the way they act. I look forward to meeting you guys tomorrow as we all read it together.